Well, ladies and gentlemen, the day has come. This elevator is the 1986 Dover Impulse elevator at the Dover Public Library. And it's gonna get ripped out or replaced. It's gonna get ripped out soon. So this is probably gonna be the final ride on this elevator, because they're gonna be renovating this library and they're gonna be expanding it into the parking lot as where it usually is. So let's ride. We're gonna go to 2. Oh, that was rude. Let's listen to the motor. Here we go. Is the indicator busted? The whole indicator is burned out, and here we are too. Here's the upstairs call station. We're on B. I like the wood cap in this thing. This odor is likely to be missed. Certificate, 1986, 100 feet a minute. There's your ADA compliant telephone. Here we are at B. Now we're gonna go for another ride, 2. Dover, capacity 2,100 pounds. Yeah, so this elevator is probably gonna get ripped out, or it's gonna be turned into a staff elevator because, as you can see, they're gonna be renovating it and they're gonna be moving it to that side. We're gonna go down to B, and we'll end it there. This will most likely be the final ride on this elevator. There's a picture of the lanterns, the indicator, the certificate, directory, 4 buttons, and the ADA compliant telephone, and the renovation. There goes the elevator, and rest in peace, Dover Impulse Elevator at the Dover Public Library. You will be missed, and that will be it.